Hi everyone, welcome to your Pilates ab and booty workout in the morning. So this workout is meant to be done right when you wake up before you eat your breakfast, and it's a 10-minute class that really focuses on your abs and your booty. These are two areas of our bodies where we feel kind of uncomfortable when we've been sitting at the desk all day long. So go ahead and grab your water, definitely, grab your mat and come join me. Alright friends, so today we're going to start in seated position, and we're going to begin with seated cat-cow. So we're going to open up our chest into cow and wind back into cat. Open cow, wind back into cat. Cow, cat. Really good. A couple more of those. Wonderful. Now we're going to go back into neutral, put our legs up into the air, like in a boat posture, intertwine our fingers, release the index, and we're going to do 8 little crunches here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys. Go back into seated, put our hands up to the sky, breathe a little bit here, and then we're going to go ahead and lay in our back, getting prepared to do our scissor kicks. So we're simply going to stretch up our feet towards the sky and kick our feet in opposite directions, straight, switching them like a scissor. We're going to do 14. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. Put your hands up, and we're going to reach our toes and do 14 crunches here, like we're reaching our toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great. Now we're going to go into a little ball, release that tension, and sway a little bit here. So now we're going to get prepared to do our little bicycle twist. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our opposite knee to our elbow. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome, guys. From here on, we're going to put our feet down and we're going to go into our bridge position to release those abs for all their hard work. Take a deep breath here. Go ahead and go up. Make sure your booty is off the floor to its maximum here, guys. In a second, we're just going to put our right leg up and we're going to pump it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, guys. Put that leg down and now bring your left leg up. Do the same thing, 6 pumps. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back into neutral bridge. Don't let that booty down, and now you can. Great, guys. Now we're going to go into supine bound angle pose. So just bring your feet together and putting your knees apart, letting your abs just relax here just for a little bit. Wonderful. Go back up into seated, and now we're going to do the cork. So what we're going to do is rest on our elbows, put our feet up, and we're going to make little circles with our feet. So we're going to do 6 times on each side. 5, 6. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, guys. Go back into seated, put our hands back up one more time, and now go into child's pose just to relax for a little bit. Take your time to breathe. Great job, guys. Great. Now going back into tabletop, we're going to do our naughty kitten. So just swaying our hips back and forth, unwinding them, putting them in little circles. Great job. Tuck your toes, go into our first downward facing dog of the practice. Put our sternum all the way to the ground and just walk it out over here. This is your time to breathe. Great. We're going to move that downward dog into our plank, going into our first flow. So go into plank right now and Chaturanga Dandasana whenever you are ready. Upward facing dog. Feel that stretch on your abs, that must feel good. And now we're going to go into puppy pose. This is a great shoulder opening stretch. So we're just going to go back onto our knees and making sure that our hips are over the knees here, looking towards the room, towards the front of the room. Great. Back into tabletop. Transition here over to your back. And we're just simply going to stretch out those knees. So take your right knee and pull it all the way to your right shoulder. Wonderful. Switch to the left knee. Same thing. Pull it into your left shoulder this time. Now we're going to go onto our tummy to prepare for diamond pose, working on our booty here. So we're going to put our feet together and we're going to create a little diamond with our legs. Now we're going to put our knees up to the sky, pumping it. Ready? We're going to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, guys, keep strong. You can do it. 11, 12, almost there. Last one, 16, awesome, great. Now we're going to put our head to the right side and just lay here for a little bit. Let your body rest. All right, guys, now we're gonna go into bow posture. Simply catch your feet from the back and bend as much as you can. Kick, kick, kick. Great, guys. Don't give up. You can do it. Keep kicking. Almost there. Keep holding it. It's a great exercise to open up your shoulders. Wonderful. This time lay down and put your head to the left side. Now we're going to back into the child's pose just to kind of release all of that tension. Alright, now we're going to transition again over to our back and we're going to go into baby pose. So as you lay down, you're just going to bring your knees towards your chest and we're going to just grab the outer parts of our feet and bring those knees to the ground. Just rock here if that feels nice for you. We're just opening up those glutes that we worked so hard on today. Alright guys, this next pose is called the plow pose. So if you feel comfortable, you can do it. If not, please stay in this pose, alright? So the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to put our legs in front of you, laying back on the ground. And we're going to, with the help of our hands, take our upper back and kind of bring those feet over your head so your toes, your baby toes, are directly over your head. As you're laying, try to interlace your fingers behind your back. This is a wonderful stretch to open up all of those back muscles, open up those shoulders, and open up those glutes. Now slowly, with control, put both of your feet down. Make sure that your lower back does not get off of the mat. Wonderful. From now on, we are going to go into Shavasana, the dead man pose. So make yourself comfortable, put your legs into a comfy position, and just breathe. Let go. Slowly go into fetus positions, rolling onto one side with the help of your other arm, going up, going back into seated here. Taking one big deep breath in to reward yourself and thank yourself for this amazing Pilates practice that you did today. Namaste guys, thank you so much for sharing your practice with me, for waking up every single muscle in that body. You are now ready to go to work and sit at your desk for ultimate focus. I'm so happy to see you soon, and light and love to you all. Bye.